Hey everyone, welcome back to Thrive Champ. Let's start thriving. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a topic that everyone is talking about: passive income. Who doesn't want to make money while they sleep, right? So, let's jump right into it with 7 proven passive income ideas that actually work in the real world. First up, we have real estate crowdfunding. You don't need to have a fortune to start investing in real estate. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to invest as little as $500. These platforms pool money from multiple investors to fund real estate projects. You earn a portion of the rental income and property appreciation without having to manage properties yourself. How cool is that? Next, let's talk about dividend stocks. These are stocks from companies that regularly pay dividends to shareholders. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble have been paying dividends for decades. By investing in these stocks, you can receive a steady stream of income without selling your shares. And the best part? You can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares and increase your future payouts. Number 3, create a blog or a YouTube channel. Yes, just like this one. If you're passionate about a topic, start creating content around it. Over time, you can monetize your blog or channel through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. It takes effort to get started, but once you build an audience, the income can become very passive. We've seen countless success stories in this space, and you could be next. Fifth on the list is creating an online course. If you're an expert in a particular field, package your knowledge into an online course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to reach a global audience. Once the course is created, your primary job is to market it, and the income can be incredibly passive. People are willing to pay for valuable knowledge that can help them advance their careers or hobbies. Number 6, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer thousands of products you can promote. By integrating these links into your blog, YouTube channel, or social media, you can generate passive income from every sale. It's a great way to monetize your existing audience. Last but not least, creating a mobile app or software. If you have programming skills or can partner with someone who does, developing an app can be highly lucrative. Think about apps like Calm, which provides guided meditations, or productivity tools like Trello. Once developed and launched, these apps can generate income through ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. It's a lot of work up front, but the passive income potential is huge. And there you have it, 7 proven passive income ideas that actually work. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy earning!